How's it going there, YouTube? Well, pretty good here, but we're tired. Very, very tired. Anyway, been pretty busy at work lately, hence there's been no videos. I've done quite a bit of hot shot trucking after work, of course, and a little bit on the weekend. You guys can see my shop's a total write-off right now. Of course, I had the snowblower out there on Tuesday or Wednesday night. I haven't done a whole lot of the big tractors back here, but I do have a video I want to show you guys on paint stripping, because I learned a new trick that's actually a lot more faster than wire wheeling. Anyway, I do, in fact, you guys might have already seen it on the bench over here, have a farm toy unboxing for you guys tonight. I was up for a little trip to a John Deere dealer I don't usually go to. It's Huron Tractor in Stainer. A good friend of mine, Tony Veruta, tracked down a 7520 Precision for me. And I decided I had to have that, so we went up and we picked up there. Me and my son Bennett went up and picked it up on Saturday morning. Anyway, we'll get on to the unboxing here. Now, I was not actually going to even unbox this one. I was going to leave it for a later date, but wanted to get a video up for you guys. And I don't really get too much farm toy stuff on here anymore. I want not all the big tractors, but I think you guys like this. So anyway, let's get to the unboxing. Alrighty, well this is it. Right out the hop, the box art on this is actually really interesting. Of course, this is the 50th anniversary of the 7520. Ertl had made an original diecast 7520. I think it was a 7520. It might be a 720. I think it was a 7520. On singles with the yellow cab roof, of course. Back in the, I think in the 70s when those tractors originally came out, and those are highly collectible today. This one's up being on the single wheels. Like I said here, it's a fully assembled, highly detailed, authentic precision die-cast metal replica. Now, if any of you guys follow farm toys as closely as I do, I mean, I have more so in the last year or two than I have in the last couple of years. I said I was slacking off on farm toys a little bit because I was getting into big stuff, but I'm definitely back into the farm toy game now. Considering I was at the Arthur Toy Show 2 weeks ago, and now I picked this up. This tractor right here is the most expensive piece of my collection. This retails for $450 at your local John Deere dealer. A little bit expensive, of course. A lot of the more recent precision tractors are very, very expensive, but they are very well done. Anyway, let's get this out of the box here. I don't know if it's a gold chase unit or not, but hey, you never know. So there's always a chance. Let's get you guys set up here, and we'll get you opened up. Alrighty, I got the old-timer pocket knife here. I'm going to try to do a bit of a throwback how I used to do my unboxing videos when I first got started here on YouTube. So yeah, got the old-timer pocket knife here. This is a true unboxing. There's still tape on the box sides. This has not been opened up. Still have not got my farm toy display set up in my new basement just yet, but although I haven't done a whole lot of work in the basement, so that's part of our problem. Anyway, I do have a plan for farm toys. There she is. It's a green one, which is, hey, that's what we want. I mean, a gold chase unit would be cool, but I kind of like the original toys, but hey, I do have a handful of those right off the hop. Yep. 7520, and you can see in there, maybe not with the glare, but it's even got, it doesn't just have decals for the lights, it has actual cast lights inserted into the frame. That's pretty neat. I mean, you'd expect something like that on a toy like this. Model, not toy, model. Running out of room on my bench here. Of course, I got that 99 cylinder head sitting on the bench here just in front of me. Check friggin' that out. Holy smokes. I'm probably not going to take it out of the package just yet because I don't want to get it all dirty on my workbench. I figured I'd pull you guys off the tripod. We'll get a bit of a closer look at this. You see it's even got the air conditioner unit fans on there. I think that's a decal. I was just kind of looking here. I did have another Precision. I noticed the first thing I went to do with this is see if the rain cap opens. And yeah, we got an opening rain cap. I'm not going to do it too much. That's pretty neat. Looks like these side screens are removable. Like I used to have a 4960 Precision. Those look like they're spring loaded. The one thing I'm going to nitpick on one thing. I did notice, you see we have, I think that's a fuel line there. We come back here, I'm pretty sure hydraulic hoses on the real tractors are black, but nothing can be perfect. It is on single wheels, I believe I saw that. I did see one that was on dual someone modified. I'm not going to modify this one, but that was a pretty sharp looking piece. And I was hesitant on buying this unit because it was on singles. I hate to be that guy that said it should be on duals, but I think the duals will look a lot better. But hey, this is a fantastic piece for your collection. The door opens. Look inside, you got a fully detailed interior. By looks of it, that back glass opens. But yeah, it's got every little part you can imagine. The 3-point does go up and down. Because I don't want to get my dirty fingers all over here, but 3-point will go up and down. It's got a swing and draw bar with a hammer strap on it. All the lights, everything's there. Let's see if I can spin you around here a little bit. Yeah, it's got the side screen. They do come off, so put that back up there. Yeah, of course, it's got all the fuel lines, injection pump, and all the filters are the right colors. Looks like it's got aluminum alternator on it. I thought originally the alternators on these tractors were green, and then we came back rebuilt, they came in black, but I wasn't around when these tractors were new, but that's just what I've heard online. So that's a very, very, very well done piece. Gonna give Earl a tip of the hat. They did a very nice job with this one. There is one more 4-wheel drive coming out. I think it's May next year. It's the 8850. Retail on that right now, I think I've seen it for about $379. It was a pre-order piece, but I can scoop one up for not too bad of a price. We'll get one and do a review on it for sure. Anyway, I'm gonna put this bad boy back in the box, and I'll see you guys here in a minute. I hope you guys enjoyed that little unboxing here. It's been quite a while since I've done one of those, and actually I used to get pretty good views on those when I was doing them somewhat full-time. As full-time as my YouTube career goes anyway. I have been actively picking up some Precision stuff all year. I got, I don't know if I showed on video. Hey, I think I did earlier. The 3010 John Deere, the Waterloo Boy, the 4000, and then I picked up a WD-45 Alice. Precision, all in the past about 6 months. Then I got that little haul from the Arthur Toy Show there with that big Super 99 sitting in my filing cabinet now. But yeah, I might do a little review video of all the toy purchases I've done in 2023 because I've kind of been all over the place with it. I am on the lookout for a 4320 Precision. I really kind of took a liking to that one. I've had kind of a hard time finding one, so if you see one out there for sale, let me know, and we'll try to pick her up. So anyway, if you guys like what you see, as always, please comment, rate, subscribe. Thanks for watching the videos. Take care.